Come along with us as we hike to and explore the waterfall of the Golden Calf, located in the beautiful mountain region of Abruzzo, Italy.
A little rental. It's been a good little car getting us around everywhere. This is the signs to the waterfall and our path. Don't mind Steve, he's always always looking at the ground. He's being caveman, smashing rocks. But he can't let go of all his other rocks. More information about this national park that we're in, which is Parco Nazionale del Gran Sasso e Monte della Laga. Did you get that? You got that? I'm sure I pronounced it totally correctly too. I think this is the waterfall we're trying to get to. There's wolves. It's a goatalope. So it would be cool to see some of these guys. And there's also, we did see bear scat just up the road. So I think they're here too. Look at all the goatalopes there. That'd be cool to see them. There's tons of flowers everywhere. It's really beautiful.
Wow. It's awesome. Look at the red.
They're afraid you're going to steal their poop.
The guy going backwards has it worse. Whoa, you guys almost fell into me. Whoa. Thanks for joining us. Leave a comment and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel and adventure content with Love Happy Adventure. And as always, keep exploring and creating your happy place.